Well, if you are someone who wants that everybody likes you, especially your target audience likes you and engages with you, and you can grow with them, then this video is for you. Everybody in this world today has an urge and a desire to be liked by everyone, to have more engagement on their content, to have more friends, to have more likes, comments, to have more visibility. But do you ever ask this question to yourself? What it takes to be liked by everyone, what it takes to be a brand, what are those things you need to start so that you can become an authority or celebrity or a brand at a day where everybody would look up to you. Of course, you cannot have 100% of people to like you, but at least people who believe in what you believe, they will like you, they will support you. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 tips to make people like you. And in next Saturday's video, I'm going to talk about another 3 tips to make people like you. The number 1 thing to make people like you is become genuinely interested in others. Often you would find that you want others to be interested in you, but you would not find yourself to be interested in others. If somebody would ask for help from you, if somebody would not even ask for help, and would you ever say to yourself that I should go ahead and volunteer and contribute with something to someone so that it can make a difference in their life? Remember to be a producer. If you are only a consumer in this information age, it is going to be making no value for you. You got to be a producer. Take an example of your friends and family. If you're not contributing to them in certain other way, they're not going to be attracted towards you. They're not going to help you. Similarly, on social media, if you're producing an article and you're not getting any engagement, possibly the reason is that you are not contributing to others. So first of all, become interested to make others interesting. So I hope you understand this point. And second thing is a smile. Ladies and gentlemen, smile is a certificate to success. It can win many things for you in life. If you smile, it tells a lot about your personality. I mean, I'm not saying that it is everything, but what I'm trying to say is if you're smiling, people would like to stick with you. People would like to connect with you. It costs nothing but creates a lot of things. So keep smiling wherever it is possible. The third thing is remember, person's name is to that person's the sweetest and the best possible sound in any language. So if you meet any person, try to remember their name. Try to remember at least their first name so that when you meet them in the future, just simply call them with their first name. Believe me, it makes a memorable experience. When the politician becomes a politician, the number 1 lesson, the first lesson that they learn is to recall somebody's name is statesmanship, to forget it is oblivion. One of the very important things while pronouncing somebody's name which you cannot pronounce for the first time, it is always advisable that you ask that person to help you pronounce his or her name. Rather than pronouncing his or her name incorrectly, it is important that ask for help and ask them to pronounce their name for you for the first time so that next time onward you can call their name perfectly and in a right way. Always remember, if you will call me Tausif, it will catch my attention. If you will call me with any other name, it may not catch my attention as compared to if you call me with my name. I hope you love these 3 tips. If you adopt 3 tips in your life, you will make people swing in your own way. You will make people like you, help you. On next Saturday, I'm going to talking about the other 3 tips to make people like you, to make people swing your own way. So tune into my channel. So this is your friend Tausif Hasan signing off until we meet again. Have a fantastic day.